The door bolt, made of stainless steel, provides strength and offers good corrosion resistance. Stainless steel SS201, SS304, SS316 for choice. Used widely in the home and office appliance. It has perfect corrosion resistance and anti-rust, which can be used for a long time. It is a stylish way to add safety to your home, built with security and reliability in mind. Easy to install, comes with screws and surface strikes for installation. Excellent finish, satin, polished or PVD finish are available. Welcome, contact for more details.